Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix mobile view problems in Durable AI in 2026. So if your website doesn't look right on phones, elements are misaligned, text is too large, or sections aren't displaying properly on mobile devices, here are some common fixes you can try. First, open your website in the Durable AI editor and switch to the mobile preview mode. This allows you to see exactly how visitors view your site on smaller screens. Next, carefully review each section of the website and look for layout issues such as overlapping elements, oversized images, or text that extends beyond the screen. If you find a problem area, edit the section and adjust the content. Yeah, long headlines, large images, and crowded layouts are often the main causes of mobile display issues. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and reload the website to make sure you're viewing the latest version of the design. Finally, publish the updated website and perform one last mobile test to confirm that everything looks clean, professional, and easy to navigate. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix mobile view problems in Durable AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.